I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You own the sheet, so start by making a working copy and preserving data. Once done, make a copy via File, Make a Copy. This creates a new document without linked version comments. You do this because Google ties history to the original file ID. Next, check sharing settings and remove unnecessary editors. That limits future changes from being recorded under other accounts. Finally, prepare a fresh, empty sheet if you want no prior versions at all before proceeding to the next steps. Now perform the actual history removal. Method A. Select all, copy and paste values into a new spreadsheet. This preserves content but severs version links because the new file is distinct. Method B. Download the sheet as XLSX or CSV, then upload and open in Drive. Re-importing creates a clean history. Method C. Transfer ownership to another account, then ask that account to make a copy and return ownership. This can remove editor traces. Use the method that best balances formatting preservation versus history elimination. Finish by tightening sharing and verifying results. Once you have the new file, remove access to the original or delete it from Drive to avoid confusion. Make sure to open version history in the new file to confirm past edits are absent. You should see only the versions created after your copy. If you still see old history, repeat the download and upload step while signed into a different or newly created account. This ensures no latent links to prior versions. One troubleshooting tip: persistent history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.